Discover the incredible power of angel number 1111 in this video. Learn how to use the 1111 angel number to manifest your deepest desires and align with your true purpose. I'll guide you through effective manifestation techniques and powerful affirmations tailored to 1111 energy. Whether you are seeking love, abundance, or success, the 1111 angel number is here to support you. Don't miss out on unlocking the universe's message for you. Angel number 1111 is one of the most powerful sequences in numerology, often seen as a sign of alignment and manifestation. When you repeatedly see 1111, it's believed to be a message from the universe that you are on the right path and that your thoughts are aligned with your desires. Here's an outline of how to use the energy of 1111 for manifestation and affirmations. Understanding angel number 1111. The meaning and symbolism of 1111. How it represents new beginnings, intuition, and alignment. Why people see it frequently and what it signals about life direction. Manifesting with 1111. Preparing for manifestation, creating a clear vision. How to set an intention when you see 1111. Techniques for manifesting with 1111 including visualization, scripting, and gratitude. 1111 affirmations for manifestation. How affirmations help in alignment with desires. Examples of powerful 1111 affirmations to manifest abundance, love, and success. Customizing your affirmations based on your personal goals. Rituals and practices to strengthen manifestation with 1111. Meditation practices focusing on the 1111 energy. Daily journaling prompts for clarity and purpose. Creating a vision board aligned with 1111 intentions. Common experiences and signs of successful manifestation. Recognizing signs that 1111 affirmations are working. Trusting the process and staying patient. How to maintain alignment even when manifestations take time. This format provides a comprehensive approach to manifesting with 1111 and using affirmations effectively. Let me know if you'd like me to expand on any of these sections or need additional details.